Today's lesson is on estimating and finding the capacity of containers, ordering containers by capacity, identifying 1 cup liquid measure, and identifying a pint, a quart, a half gallon, a gallon, and liter containers. So if I have a capacity is how much a container can hold. So I have all these containers, which one do you think holds the most? Well, the biggest container is going to hold the most liquid inside of it. Okay. And its capacity is how much liquid the container will hold. Okay. So over here on the left, we have this, and it's called a 1 cup measuring cup. There are some lines here that are kind of hard to see, but the top line right up here is equal to 1 cup. So if I fill up water to that line, I would have 1 cup of water. Okay. So the order of containers I have, it starts off with a cup, then it goes, the next size up is a pint, and the next size is a quart, and then we have a gallon. In between a quart and a gallon, we have one more size, and that's called a half gallon, which is basically half of a whole gallon. Okay. So this is how they would be spelled out. So it goes cup, pint, quart, half gallon, and then gallon. There are abbreviations for each of these words, so we don't have to write the whole word out every time. So a cup, the abbreviation for a cup is C. The abbreviation for a pint is PT. Abbreviation for a quart is QT. Half gallon doesn't have an abbreviation, but the gallon, the abbreviation is GAL. Now, a cup container holds 1 cup of liquid. Okay. A pint container holds 2 cups of liquid. A quart container holds 4 cups of liquid. A half gallon holds 8 cups. And a gallon holds 16 cups of liquid. Okay. If you notice, there's a pattern. Each container is twice as big as the one before it. Because if I do a cup times 2, that would be 2 cups. Pint times 2 or 2 cups in the pint times 2 is 4, times 2 is 6, times 2 is 16. So it's twice as big as the one before it. Now, if we have, let's say I have a bottle of Sprite or any kind of soda. Liquids that we buy in the store, like milk and juice, come in containers that are in gallons and quarts and pints. But soda comes in a different type of container, and this is called a liter container. Now, a liter is about the same size as a quart. It's a little bit more than that, because a liter is about equal to 4 cups. That's a little bit more than 4 cups. Okay. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.